How to make natural Viagra. The usage of handiest 2 substances. If you need to make your homemade Viagra, you'll want the main elements, which might be very often to be had in grocery stores. Those elements are very powerful aphrodisiacs. Viagra is a powerful drug for men. This is utilized to increase sexual function and performance. Not many human beings recognize the name of the game, that it may also be made at domestic. Necessary substances for homemade Viagra. 1. Watermelon. 2. Lemon. Watermelon consists of various nutrients, and has aphrodisiac homes which incorporate citrulline and lycopene. You need to no longer use sugar, salt, spices or every other flavors, which could lessen the power of the 2 predominant substances. You need to cut the watermelon into small pieces, and put the portions right into a juicer. A good way to achieve approximately 1 liter of watermelon juice. The white stuff in the shell of watermelon is likewise very excessive in focused citrulline and need to not be wasted, and need to be juiced. Pour the juice into a pot. Depart it to boil for a few minutes, then squeeze the lemon juice into the pot. Mix it nicely with the boiling watermelon juice. You have to retain boiling till maximum of the liquid evaporate, and the content within the pot reduced to approximately half of. Go away it to calm down for approximately an hour or so. After that, transfer the potion to a washed and cleaned glass bottle, and shop it in a groovy and dry place inclusive of a fridge. You ought to take this drink on an empty belly, early within the morning, and before dinner, and anywhere among 2 tablespoons to 1/3 of the cup. This relies upon on the frame weight and length. This homemade Viagra is safe and amazing for people of all ages and genders. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe my channel.